Good on small races, being carried by a big bee.
Yeah, I got it for goblins, but not a goblin right now.
Mm-hmm. Goblin shaman should be a thing, and they only do poison things. They are?
Yeah.
What? Why aren't you a goblin?
Racial, because damage go bird.
Give it time.
If you look in puppeting, 3 up, there's a damage chart.
That seems fair and balanced. You're
That's
right.
single target.
Oh, you know what? That's fair and balanced. Yeah. Is that the end of a fight?
That's after I killed one of the time walking bosses in 7 seconds.
That seems good. Oh, I have Concoctor. I can see how Concoctor he does. Have like 3,000 haste, everybody. I guess.
Oh, I would love 3,000 haste every fight. That's gonna trigger consistently every fight, right? Like I'm always gonna get 3,000 haste.
It may not be the haste, and it may not go on you, but it does trigger pretty consistently every 20 seconds.
So you're gonna give me 3,000 haste every pull.
Yeah.
Okay.
Believe.
I hope you're ready for it.
Oh, I'll be ready for it. This character actually is it highest stat? Because if it's highest stat, it won't be haste, unfortunately.
4, 3,
I
2, 1.
think it is highest stat. It is highest stat. Yeah.
Yeah, then it'll be mastery. Damn.
Oh.
This character has way more mastery than haste. I'm catching up though. I now have double digit. I now have way more haste than I did.
This
I had
already
fucking...
has 2,000 rating.
Yeah, we drank close to like several 9s and 10s immediately.
Jesus fuck.
What was I supposed to do? Suck?
No, but like I'm just surprised.
I'm gonna pop stuff here so we get through this.
Yep.
I also popped stuff. I am stunning them.
Because we're gonna lust.
Tap totem. Oh, yeah. Ooh, come back.
I usually pop my damage here.
I popped all my CC.
Okay, cool. Tim, get the big commander guy. Kicks. Miles got Shadow Mage, and then there won't be any kicks in the second pack. When it spawns, after we pull. As soon as you're comfortable, Tim.
Secure the deck. We need to gain control of the ship.
I don't have that guy.
Yep, he's actually just casting on me. He's not. He is. You do have him.
Whoa. Hey, how can I die?
I believe you.
Dying is my favorite thing. I'm a warlock. Oh, speaking of, does anyone want to do a quick Ritual of Doom for funsies?
No. Especially now that it costs more. Oh, I hit that guy. Oh well, he's almost dead.
Okay.
No. Okay, he's dead.
Oh yeah, we're in a new thing. What's the affix?
Whoa, what
it's
the
Emissary affix?
Why am I
Oh,
so
where
bad?
am I?
Alright, we're good.
I'm teleported in the thing. I just
Yeah.
flew
Oh
through
my
the
god. Oh, I fell through it.
Are you
Jump?
mounted?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was weird. I don't like that.
Oh.
Do we
Is
have
Chris here?
No.
There you are. All right. I'll take the web mage, I guess. Tim also kicked the web mage.
Tap totem. Oh, the overlap.
I'm gonna stun him here.
Lady, we are still fighting.
So
She doesn't
impatient.
know. She will learn.
Ah, not me. Okay, I'm gonna wait for. Oh, we're not gonna wait for Miles Cocoon to clear.
Nah. He'll live. He's got cheat death.
True.
I thought I'd live.
And if it's not on cooldown, you know.
Yeah, I gotta use it.
Really, it's a group resource.
Tim, take first kick on web
True.
mage.
I'll put this down. Yeah, I'll put
Steven,
this
get next kick on web mage.
I hope you meant web bolt because I did kick.
Yeah,
that.
it's all web bolt. It's just we're just
Okay.
kicking web bolts. There's nothing else to kick in this pack. Oh, we double kicked that one.
It was a shield.
Yeah. Mild, get next kick.
That wasn't.
Tim also got next kick.
Tap totem.
I gotta pad my interrupts. Everyone will laugh at me if it's just Avenger Shield again.
Remember to fly to the back of the boat.
Embrace the dark. Be not afraid.
All right, ranged. That's the healer and the thing. When the burning portals come out, make sure you run together and drop them in the same spot as close as possible.
Stack on. Dude, got it.
Yeah. Watch out for beams. Tim, defensive.
Yeah, I hit it. Still hurt.
Add.
Oh, close.
That's dead. Burning shadows.
Like he just kind of exploded.
Yep. Make sure you drop those close. Yeah, then you can start running as soon as they.
Oh yeah, that.
Could I get a decurse if possible?
What?
Is it curse?
Or
No, it's dispel. It's dispel.
Dispel,
Yeah, dispel
yeah.
him.
Do the thing, game. Oh, what? Where's my keybind?
Uh,
I'm healing
Hopefully you
myself.
find it
I'm
soon.
a warlock. Yeah, well, one day.
we kind of need that.
Where's my keybinds? We're off.
Oh no, I'm done. Yeah, I was still
Yeah, that's
cursed.
not good.
Yeah, because that's gonna kill all of us if you don't find that keybind. I did try to decurse you, by the way, Steven. You said decurse, and I actually, I was like, oh, I decurse, and I cast it, and nothing happened.
Yeah, that's my bad. I could have. No, because I didn't, because I summoned my succubus with a single target.
Oh,
That's
I was
it.
too
don't
close.
have my abomination.
No!
Oh, we need that person.
Where's your
Oh,
corpse?
we don't
Where's your
have
corpse?
battle resist.
My corpse is down at the ground. Okay, there it goes.
I don't know. Someone battle res.
We don't have it. I'm dead.
Oh, die. Just die.
Dying.
Don't jump off. It's gonna
Oh.
take you a while to hit the grounds.
Releasing.
Oh, I don't have much of a choice now. Oh, there you go. I died.
Oh, is there a death plane right there? I remember someone else jumped off and didn't die for a while. I think it was Jack.
Release.
I'm gonna summon
again.
Imp just in case.
Check
Do you have your
the spell.
decurse?
Yeah.
Looking for it. What is it called?
Blood Spirit.
Spirit?
Do we just let the emissary go off here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to pull the boss by accident. And the emissary should despawn.
Embrace the dark.
What was the name?
Fun Spirit. It's a talent.
Fun?
Oh, if it's a talent, we can't talent into it, can we?
You don't have it talented?
Should be talented. It's my keybind that I think got messed up.
It's beside Tremor Totem.
Tremor totem.
Purify
Sure.
spirit. Purify.
Oh, Purify Spirit? My bad. It's Cleanse Spirit when you're enhanced.
Thing. Drag. Go.
Dry fire it, just make sure.
I'm trying to put it on my bar, and my stupid UI doesn't let me do it the way I want to.
This is a harmful magic effect, right? It's a.
Yeah.
All right, I can get us. I think if people call out if they are needed a spell.
Okay. Chris, are you good to go?
No.
Okay, well, Steven, you're on dispels.
If you press escape, go to options, go to keybinds, you have click casting, you can use that too.
It's the button on the bar, and I'm trying to drag it from my talent bar, and I'm trying to look it up in my spell book, and I don't see cleanse.
It's Purify. Purify Spirit.
Primal Strike, Poison, Sky Fury. It's not
It
listed.
might be under the
Restore
at
side.
restoration side, and it's listed there. Purify Spirit. Got it.
Okay, we got it. We're good.
That sucks. Sorry.
No, you're all good. Let's
No
go.
worries.
It's good we found that out now.
Yeah, this is only a 9. We can still time this. Oh, horrible position for that being.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, and pools.
And then start moving, yeah. It's released. It's almost, oh, they dispel. It's out. Okay. It's just the heal absorb. Thank you.
Pulls in 4 seconds. I'm gonna pull out here.
I've gotten such bad fucking luck with my shit. Can I get procs, please?
No, your procs are not happening.
Yeah, dispel.
apparently.
I got you.
She's gonna clip this.
You also have the ad. Can you kill it?
Do we need
leave
to kill it?
We need to choose to leave.
Okay.
Choose to live.
Yeah, like, I guess it's the only option we have right now.
Remember to get away, far, far away. Just don't be behind the boat. If you're behind the boat, it'll kill you. Get back in. All focus ad. Boss will be immune to damage because the ad's been alive for so long. Bang. Burning shadows. Beam. Ow, fuck.
Yeah, it hurts.
Pulls in like 3 seconds. Pulls.
Beam.
Kill boss.
Why can't it do the thing?
Boss dead. Get the spells going. Are we clear? Yeah, we're clear. Everybody else?
Oh, I'm alive.
Miles got the dot.
Yeah, so do you.
Yeah.
I'm dead. I think.
Oh, if you
I'm
can
gonna try, I'm
land
gonna
on
try to
my
live it. I'm
way.
gonna hang to the church. I'm gonna try to land and heal myself. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Okay,
you're
I
good.
lived those. Land
Down
on
to
me.
the church.
Oh, I landed too far. I landed wrong.
Oh, there are people down there. Are you fighting Tim?
Yeah, get in here, get in here, get in here.
Get in here.
Oh,
I'm gonna stun.
Everyone, get in here.
Everyone, get in here.
Oh, I don't have fucking
Hit.
vanish.
Okay, this is gonna be extra, so we're gonna have to do less. Someone kick out a barrier, please. No, went off. I'm gonna purge it. You can't purge it. Someone, I got tormenting beam. That was my bad, guys. Sorry.
No worries, no worries.
Okay, we're gonna do the big pull here, like normal.
Okay.
So, Tim, I need you to taunt the Darkcaster and then throw a shield at it, the square. And then pull the other side. And then pull the shadows and the stairs as soon as you're ready.
We don't have.
I died because I healed him too early.
Yeah, release and come back. I'm trying to. Oh, I don't have the right pet out. I need to switch back. I can't kick. I forgot I still have imp out because I was.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine.
There's a dark prayer in the middle.
Friendly reminder, Tim.
There is
Go
it.
ahead and yell at me when I can heal you.
You kneel.
Well, next time. you
Yeah.
know. I was well aware if I like that it's a dangerous game.
I'll be honest. I thought you were fine there too because I thought they were just gonna go through and get the consecrate, but I didn't realize there was ranged ones there.
Alright,
I
alright,
can
alright.
once again kick.
We know this trap for this. Watch out for Abyssal Blasts. Thank you, Tim. That was beautiful.
God damn it. Get back in your spot.
Yeah, you tell her.
gonna Abyssal Blast me, or Terrifying Blast me again.
I tried to dispel whatever's on you. I can't dispel it. I think it's Abyssal Blast.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm a warlock. I have 7,000 heals that I can put up.
You can eat a cookie.
I can eat a cookie. I can mortal coil. I can unending resolve. I can
Okay.
Tunnel. Just tunnel harder.
Where is it?
it's
Where
dead.
it's dead.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold cooldown for the next pack because the next pack's scary.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save my stuns for the pack on the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Part of why this dungeon can suck is because a lot of the landing is precise. If you go
Yeah.
past where people land, you almost always get a pack that you didn't see because it pops in.
I got the square.
Yeah, floating.
Good shit, guys.
Yeah, we're so far ahead of schedule now, and all the bosses are backloaded. We're good.
I'm not a DK though, so if we fuck up the second boss, I can't just skip it. Kill the ad, kill the ad, kill the ad. Because it makes everything in the dungeon invincible until it dies, and if we leave, it's just gonna chill here and make everything in the dungeon invincible.
I hate this one. This one sucks.
At least he didn't spawn during the pack.
True.
Okay, precise landing.
Yeah.
We do have Lust here,
They've taken the inn as a foothold, and a lieutenant leads them.
Okay.
so everybody get ready.
Oh, we got more.
Oh, we
got
pulled
more.
extras. We pulled extras.
Remember to fire the orb down the bridge, down the thing. There it is. We're fine. We live that one. I don't live that one.
I'm rezzing you.
We have more. This is why we have to fight. We have to fight them back here.
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
Gonna
I'm down.
work myself.
I'm trying to point the orb.
Orb.
Oh,
Really?
fuck.
It spawned on me. I died.
Yeah.
You don't play correctly though. I'm gonna release and fly down. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I think I'm dead here.
I think you're all dead there.
Yeah, I'm dead.
I didn't realize Chris was dead too.
Yeah, so
Yeah. Just let me die.
Are they reset?
Yeah, they walked away.
Okay, where's that spot? I always get lost when I'm not coming down from the church.
oh, what am I? Something's killing me. I got a Abyssal Blast on me.
Oh yeah, must have got tagged. Okay.
Oh, it's
here?
that Dark Caster up
Careful
there.
of the militant. Careful of the militant.
Oh, pull up, pull up, pull up. Move up, move up, move up. Okay, let's just hit the tactician and the boss, and pull the boss onto the tactician, please.
Oh, needs a cooldown.
I'm holding shit for the next pull. Dark Orb coming
Kill.
on Galrin?
No, it's on me.
Oh,
Oh,
It's
that's
on
what
mine.
it just said. Stupid things. That's fair. Probably just because it was targeting Tim with like actual things, but
Yeah, that was weird.
fuck! I got tagged by the dot. Remember me fondly.
I've never seen you die to these. You're fine. We have a goated healer. Do we need more cookies, by the way?
After this,
Mild is
probably.
trying to die.
Oh, we pulled.
Did we? How the fuck
Yep.
did we get?
I'm not
Trying to
sure.
kick the people in the back. Oh, they were too far for my dog to grab. But
Oh, we got all
on the
this.
left as well.
I was holding cooldowns, but I'm popping them.
Yeah, just go. Just
I'm
go.
gonna stun as well.
Yeah, got him.
Open your mind to the whispers.
Good. We're good.
Embrace who you truly are.
Yeah, they die before the affix matters.
Ethics.
I hate this affix.
I can't wait till they change it to be a cast so you can still hit the
Do we
mobs.
need these 3 still?
We killed 3 earlier.
No, we can check after boss. We can check after boss. Let's go to the house.
Okay.
Because after this, I think we're gonna be good. Kim has gone straight in. I'm landing.
Careful of the
Watch out for your feet. Oh,
I got
presing.
Oh, I'm down.
Yeah, careful of the thing when you're landing. The frontal.
I see it.
Yeah, this is a rough drop.
I honestly just didn't see the other one.
now.
Luckily, my daughter and her children are safe.
Okay.
You've weakened the command
Wait for Chris to
center.
live, and then we'll go to the boss.
Yeah, I was I was looking at that and going.
I heal more at low health. I have no idea what you guys' problem is.
Move
Do
up.
we
be
need
close,
one
be
more
close.
here?
Yeah. Be close. Be on me.
Do we need one more ad here? Or
No, we're
No.
overcount.
we are overcount? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah.
God, I hate how hard everything hits.
What?
Just chomp.
Nope.
Point it down the way,
Put
point it down the way.
Put it straight down the middle.
Oh no.
Press it
Ooh,
defensive,
that's bad. That's bad.
defensive.
Defensive,
Oh, it
defensive.
barely didn't hit the fence.
Stay in?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, you be in for the ads that are about to come
Yeah,
up.
we
And
go in
emissary.
the middle for the orb because it needs to explode away from us.
Yeah, they have to get a certain distance away, or we all cease to exist.
We bowling
Axe
ball
coming
out
out.
of the way.
Stay in.
So many ads.
Catting.
Burn them.
Dark orb on
Dark
me,
orb.
careful. Don't be on the bowling alley.
Should be a turf on slam soon. Yep.
Tag the. Oh,
God, I hate it when they adjust just a little bit. You know, God.
that was painful. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Dark orb.
Make sure you're not straight.
We'll point it down the bowling alley.
Ad.
We're good. We're good.
Terrifying slam.
Ads about to come up as well.
Everybody run into melee. Dark orb on me.
AoE soon.
Yep. Ah, there it is.
Eat a cookie if you need it, if you haven't already.
My hotkey for cookies is different on this character, and I'm really realizing I need to probably
I'm
fix
resin.
that.
Emissary, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit. I was.
Emissary's dead.
Ads. Dark orb on me.
Dark orb.
Haley.
Slam.
Boss dead. Alright, up to the boat.
Where's the? Oh, it's over there.
Yeah, it's way over here.
Bad boat cycle. It's over.
Bad boat cycle. Land near the back.
There's also an anvil here if you need to repair.
Yep. Chris is not here.
Yeah, I know. We've got 5 minutes.
I just don't think we time it. Oh, that's right, that was me. I thought it was on you. Okay, ads coming in. Get ready to. Do you have Divine Toll?
No, not for a couple minutes. Or not minutes,
Uh,
seconds.
I
Got it.
stunned.
More ads coming in.
Embrace who you truly are.
Oh, spread. Up a defensive.
Yep.
Emissary.
That's dead.
Everyone back up. Everyone back up. Pet. Oh, fuck.
My dog would never hurt a
Good.
fly.
Oh, no, yes, maybe?
Okay, let's go. We got this. We got this.
We go. We can do this in 4 minutes.
Everybody stand roughly middle. Don't get hit by these webs.
Flowing acid.
Yep.
Bombs coming.
Run bombs in. Run bombs in. Where's the last one?
It's all the way
got it.
back.
Pop cookies.
Okay, just me every time.
We don't have res.
Yeah, you're
It's not good.
it's a web.
Yeah, should we
Put
just
the bomb down, and then I ended up with the bomb again.
should
I'm
we just
sorry.
wipe? No worries.
Yeah, I think we have to. I don't
Res
think
is
we
in
get-
4 minutes, so it won't be back up.
We don't live this now.
Alright, I'll stay on the next AoEs.
What was the
Come here,
time?
Tim. It's
Is
time.
this boss and then we won? That sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could have done it.
Yeah. I was gonna lust as soon as we landed.
Yeah.
All right. Pull that. Here you.
It doesn't also take less damage, right?
No,
Just the mobs.
just the mobs. But having the buff going into the pull would be nice.
Yeah. Is this week tyrannical or
Tyrannical, yeah, the boss is extra health.
That explains a lot.
Yeah.
oh I clipped my cast. It's Jover.
But yeah, just don't worry about the bombs. That's a DPS mechanic. Just focus on keeping people alive.
Yeah. That's all. Yeah, that's point.
Oh, not me, please, my cast.
Oh, there's a bomb still.
DPS mechanic refuses to.
I grabbed my
DPS
bomb.
mechanic.
Wanna lie?
Yeah. I sometimes. Oh, did you press that? No.
You said
I said there's a bomb still.
Oh, there's
Now
still
he's
another
gonna
bomb
fly
as well.
away. Yeah, there's one more bomb. Yeah, there he goes.
Do we have to kill this affix?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Do we have time? Don't we have a debuff here?
But we're really close to the landing field, I think. Yeah, we're good. We just fly straight there.
Crusader Aurora.
Grab one thing and zoom.
Five, four,
Then there goes my proc.
Yeah, no problem.
Proof that
Hello,
there's no
whoever
God.
joined.
Hello. You
What
need to
happened
kick
to
him as
my-
soon as he comes down.
What happened to my vanish? What? Took me out
Oh.
of stealth.
Oh, hello there. Hello.
You've returned.
I have.
Rub those lefts to sides. And then break the tether. Hey, are we coming up? Oh, goodbye.
Oh,
That works.
Oh, it's a bad place for the AoE to be.
Open your mind to the whispers. Embracing
Affix. Fuck it, maybe it'll kill.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah,
Doesn't sound like it killed.
it didn't. It doesn't. It does bonus damage based on enemy missing health, and he's not missing health.
Yeah, it seems like a bad fight for executes.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
Now to see if
Honestly,
we
we
live.
weren't that far off.
What the?
And oh, I had like a millisecond left.
I ate a cookie or else I was gonna die.
No. There's a timer. If there's like a debuff that's like enroaching darkness. If you reach 0, you die instantly, no damage.
No, no.
And sometimes the boat doesn't spawn fast enough, and you just cease to exist.
Oh, not feeder ring. I got an offhand. Do you have
anybody
an
want an
offhand,
empowering crystal?
Chris?
You just have to play shield.
Oh,
Unless I'm enhanced.
Yeah, but no, the offhand isn't like a caster
it's in.
offhand.
Yeah, it's a caster offhand. It's in stam.
No, I already have a nice 6/13 caster
Who
offhand.
wants a verse mass ring?
Enjoy your victory.
I would love a hero ring, actually.
First mass.
You want a? Do you need a trinket? It's only champion though.
I don't need a trinket. I just need a.
Oh,
Our
you got
champions
What about
from here
you?
Warbound. No, it's Warbound.
Oh, it is Warbound.
Yeah, currently I need a ring and boots. Oh, thank you. Let's go.
Awesome. Well, we got some loot. I think that's Steven's first loot ever. I don't think Steven's ever gotten loot before
True,
this.
actually true. That
Yeah,
might be
Steven
my
didn't even
first
get
loot in at least 15
Oh, was-
keys,
Were
unironically.
you rolling off for that, Chris?
That's fine. He
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear
no,
that.
no.
No, it's
Let's see
fine.
the roll.
Steven wins these. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Do it anyway, dude. Take it.
What did that turn into?
It went down.
I know.
Womp womp. Arakara. Ooh, I actually need that.